Hello and welcome. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we show you how to do a full factory reset on your Freesat 4K set-top box. It may be necessary to do this to try and help fix any problems you're having with your Freesat 4K set-top box. Note that this full factory reset will delete all recordings, planned recordings, favorites, and any other saved information from your Freesat 4K set-top box. First, go to Settings. Then go to System Settings. Then down to Box Reset. Then right and down to Full Factory Reset. You will then be asked for the PIN, which, if you have not changed it, will be the default 0000. The Freesat 4K set-top box will then reset to factory settings. And you can then go through the extremely slow wizard to set up your Freesat 4K set-top box. Strangely, the first time the Freesat 4K set-top box did the channel scan, it found no channels. Repeating the channel scan, and it found all the channels. I hope this video has been of use to you. If so, please click the like button. And remember to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel and stay notified of future video releases. Thank you.